Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Al Marjan Island and exploring Damac Properties' latest masterpiece. Al Marjan Island is a stunning, man-made archipelago in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. Damac Properties introduces Shoreline on Al Marjan Island, a project of luxury apartments and townhouses. Shoreline offers unique features like pools, a bamboo forest, and private beach access. Located just 10 minutes from Al Hamra Mall and 15 minutes from Al Hamra Marina. With a starting price of AED 4.48 million and a flexible payment plan, Shoreline is an attractive investment.